Okay, well you might recognize that song. It's called "Only Love Can Break Your Heart" by Neil Young. By now, you know I'm a big Neil fan, and maybe you are too. This song I love it because it's deceptively simple, but it's really about the feel more than anything. It's in 6/8 time, so if you want to get the strum right, it's kind of, it's got a little bit of a lilting melody to it, or a strum. So if you want to go to this, break it down to the simplest way, just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm doing that. It sounds kind of mechanical, right? But the way he actually does it, as you'll listen to, and you'll probably get if you listen to it a few times, he actually has some upstrums in there too. So. Pretty, you know, it's very much relaxed in the Neil Young style. It's almost as if the hand rhythm is, the right hand is just falling on the strings. I'm not doing it with a pick right now because I happen to like the sound of skin, but you can certainly do it with a pick. But if you want to really capture the essence of the song, I think it's important to get that strum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but with the little ups. So it's. It's it. And I think, you know, it's hard to describe that stuff in numbers and stuff like that. I don't really go there. I just say, this is what it's like, this is how I do it. And if you play along with it, you'll get it. So now, let's get into the verse, and then we'll go into the chorus. Okay, so the verse is G7th. I'll do it slowly for you. C. And then F major 7th with nothing more than an F with an open E string. And then G. Then again, it accents on that G7th. Okay? One more time. So again, it's the G7th is the marker, right? Then to the F, major 7th, G, and the G7th. C major 7th, which is nothing more than a C with the open B string. So lift that first finger up. Beautiful, huh? And then the F major 7th. C major 7th out of love. To G. To the G7th again. Then here it goes to the chorus, okay? So it's F major 7th. It goes to E minor, or you can do an E minor 7th. If you can make that stretch, that's 3rd fret on the B string with your pinky. Okay? If you can't, it's okay. I've seen him do it both ways. He mixes it up. But only love can break your heart. And then it goes to D minor 9th. And that's just open D, 2nd fret G, 1st fret B, high E, open. Nice chord, huh? To G. G7th, and F major 7th. Break your heart. Back to the D minor 9th. Or if you want, or you can do minor 7th. He does it both ways. Okay, so now you've got the chorus and both parts of the verse. Let me run through it, and I'm not going to try to sing it as high as he originally did. I'm not sure he can, but I'll probably just sing it wherever I land. But you'll get the gist of it, and then if you play along with the record, you can really get the feel. So let me just play through the verse and chorus and see how that feels to you. It has that nice swing. Then it goes to the second part of the verse. C major 7 to the F. minor, F major 7th. It's always a major 7th in this song. So, but only love can break your heart. And then it goes to the D minor 9th. What if your world should fall apart? It's G7th. But only love, F major 7th, can break your E minor or E minor 7th. So that D minor 7th, D minor 9th, I should say. Will fall apart. But it just has that easy strum. So if you can't do the 6/8 strum that he does, just know that it's basically the core of it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's just doing all downstrokes. The thing is, he does down and, so he goes. Does it? If you put an extra strum in there, it's fine. But get that. If you can get that swinging like that, you're going to capture the essence of the song. So that's "Only Love Can Break Your Heart" by Neil Young. I've just been doing some deep dives into some of the music that I grew up with, and that's one of the songs I remember when I first getting into acoustic guitar. And also I'm going to probably jump into some Nashville Skyline, Bob Dillon. Similar period of time, I believe, late 60s, early 70s. God, so many great songs, so many great, compositions that came up then. So I'll see you down the road, but I hope you enjoyed that. And, hit me up. I'd love to hear your comments, and jimmydillon.com/free, /free, or just come and visit me and tell me what you think. All right, we'll see you down the road.